up guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping Up with Q. So from the title of today's video and from this huge box behind me, you guys can tell I'm doing a Neewer ring light, the 18-inch unboxing, demo, and review. So before we get into this video, make sure y'all give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you think about it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the Q Mafia because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we can be lit together, period. Now let's get into it. If you're a returning subscriber, then you know my struggle with ring lights this past 4 to 5 months. I want to say that might be a stretch, but I feel like it's been 4 to 5 months. At first, when I first started YouTube, I bought a Neewer ring light. This was like a long time ago when they weren't as popular and weren't as expensive, because the prices have definitely went up now. That lasted me a long time. My birthday, in the car while we were doing something, the piece broke. And after that, like, that was it. And I was saying I was going to keep the piece to see if my granddad could fix it. By the time I left my Airbnb for my birthday, like, the piece was gone. So at that rate, I was then just using the actual light. That wasn't going to work. So, and as a gift, I did get a smaller ring light, but it's more for like selfies and stuff. I mean, you can use it for videos, but it's not as bright as the 18-inch or the 14-inch that I had at the time. So I was trying to make it work so, you know, I can come back on YouTube. Y'all, the leg to that ring light broke, so right now I'm using it. You probably can't really see the light as good as you could before because I have to lay it down kind of flat for it to kind of light up, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, it's tragic, but I went ahead and said, you know what, Q, just go ahead and invest into a new one, a bigger one. I did just end up going ahead to get the 18-inch. I got this for $84.85 after tax, only because I made the mistake of buying the one. I think they charge you more if you get the bag or whatever. I didn't buy the bag because I was like, oh, I still have my bag for my old ring light. Y'all, that light was smaller. Like, I didn't think about that. I don't know why I thought I had an 18-inch, but I didn't think about that. So this one, which I will link down below, but I'm gonna still tell y'all like what it has on there. So this one that I bought, it comes with the light, the stand, of course. It comes with the filters. I do have a shutter. That's one thing that I was looking to not get because I do already have a shutter and the same one from my ring light, and then, you know, of course, the adapter. So I noticed the price was just different if you didn't get the bag, but I mean, me personally, I don't use the bag anyway, so yeah, I'm not tripping about it. So yeah, as you can see, it comes in this huge box. Mine came in 2 days. I do have Amazon Prime, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't take that long, like if you don't have Prime. I really hope I'm opening this the right way. I also want to make sure I put it together right, because that was the issue when I got my first one. Like, I did not do it right at all. That's probably why the piece broke off. But oh Lord. I'm just let it come down because there's something on the side. Oh, hold on. They did not close this box. God dang. Hold on. So this is a box, and I believe this box is the stand. Okay. Oh yeah, this looks completely different from the one I had before. I don't know if it's because, like I said, I got it years ago. I had it for like 2-3 years, but it looks like much better quality compared to back in what, 2017, 2018. Let's see if it still operates the same, because I'm already confused. Oh yeah. I don't know now. I don't know. I don't want to break anything. I'm gonna read the instructions because y'all, I cannot afford to break this thing. What is this? Installation instructions. Yeah, that's what I need. Number for customer service. Oh, so this box has the cord to plug it up. I think this is the piece that connects. This is the piece that broke off of mine, where the camera goes on. Yeah. And then I know this is the foam piece. The filters. This is the cord, and this is the shutter. And then of course the biggest box is the light itself. Actually, before I pull this out, I'm gonna go ahead and work on this stand so we can attach that first. So according to this, hold on, that's about step 1. So according to this, 1 is in the frozen state. Hold the middle of the pole of the light stand with one hand and draw the stand legs with the other. Okay, so it says you hold the middle and you're just basically supposed to pull it out. Yeah. Oh, when it says middle, this middle. Okay, because then it pulls. All right, because I'm a little confused. It says you're supposed to pull it all the way to the ground. And then, so it did say put this all the way to the ground and then screw off the knob at the pole second section, scratch, and then, oh, so this is supposed to like position it. All right then, yeah. Hold on. And then, oh, this is what it's talking about to lift it. Oh, this thing is tall as heck. So I'm gonna do it to its full height just for y'all to see. I hope y'all can see. This thing is tall. Like, this is the highest it can go. This is tall. And imagine the light, like, no. So for me, I'll probably just, I think like right here. I think this is good. And then tighten it back. I still feel like that's too big. I mean, not too big, too tall. Let me put just a little bit. We'll see once we get the light on. But I have to take the freaking light out. And I'll put the white color filter. Hopefully that's the right term. So the actual light comes in this. You gotta undo this. I would recommend using a box cutter if you have one. I couldn't find one, but I'm pretty sure you do have one, so I just use scissors. If you're gonna use scissors, please be safe and be cautious and don't cut yourself. Yes! This is so much bigger. This is so much bigger. It's so much bigger. Yeah, I don't know why I was thinking I could use that same bag. Definitely not. So you get 4 filters, of course, to fill the whole circle. And then along the light, you'll see, like, literally there's sections to show you where each light is supposed to go. Well, meaning each filter is supposed to go. So you just clip it in. I gotta put it down. I wish I could show y'all. Just gotta line it up. Cause it, yeah, I'm gonna say it's supposed to clip onto each other too. Yeah. So you can kind of see the difference. This is the one I didn't do yet, and then these are the 3 that I did. Here we are with the filters. Okay guys, this is the 4th. part. This is the part I couldn't figure out on my last ring light. So I'm assuming, oh, never mind. So you have this piece, it's really tiny, and then you got this part that holds the actual phone and camera and whatnot. Well, that holds the piece that holds the camera and the phone. So you're gonna take the really small piece and twist that. I'm gonna twist it like this into the bottom of this. Okay, so then you have these two together, and then you're going to insert that piece into this. So once you have that on here, it's kind of hard showing and holding up, but once you have that on here, you're supposed to screw it. Like, oh no, hold up. Hold on, y'all, I did it backwards. So you're supposed to like stand this up straight and then screw it so this would stay up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off so it don't fall. So then I move this, and then you're just gonna unscrew. Hold on, no. It's two knobs. It's gonna be one right here, and you're just gonna untighten this one so it can come down, and then you're gonna place that on top of this. So once you place it, you'll notice it stops. You gotta untighten this one inside just a little bit, because at one point I lost this little thing too. And then put it, it's probably this though. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, and I'm gonna lower this because this thing is too high. Not really too high. Hold up. I think I did it backwards. Up this just a little bit. Tighten this just a little bit more. I'm gonna down this one just a little bit. Okay. Alrighty. So let me put this back on here. And period. We get into it. I'm not even done. So the last part is the part to hold your phone, which I love this a lot better than the old way they used to do it, because instead of sending this whole like piece to sit in, they literally just gave you this, and you had to sit this in here. So every time you wanted to switch it, you had to unscrew it, take it, switch it, or unscrew it, take it, and switch it. So this is more convenient. I like this. And then literally just twist that bad boy on there, and that's what you get. And then, like I said, switch it here to hold your phone this way, switch it here to hold your phone sideways. So there you have it. And from the looks of it, I mean, you could always still like put that on too, but that'd be pointless of having this piece. But that's what it's giving. So now I just need to plug it up, test the brightness, because that's what we care about too. So I have it plugged up. I have my other ring light turned off so we can see how bright this thing can actually get, because my other one was super bright. That's what I loved about it. So let's see how bright this can get. It gets really bright. So we let it see, we let it see. Okay, period. Okay, so my camera has been acting funny with like the light and stuff, so when I edit this it might look weird, but from what I can see, it's giving what it's supposed to give. I would definitely say if you have to get the other one that's much more expensive, well, I wouldn't say much more expensive, but more than this, because it's your first ring light, so you need everything, definitely say get it, especially if you want to do YouTube. This is a great investment. You get the phone stand, camera stand, the light, the stand, the bag, the color filters, the camera shutter. Like, you're investing in a lot. But yeah, that's the end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give the video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think about it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the Cute Mafia, because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we can be lit together, period. And I will see you guys in the next video.